Effective task management is the key to any successful project or business. To help you achieve seamless collaboration and enhance productivity, we're excited to introduce our upcoming Workflow Tasks feature. Designed to automate task management, this feature gives you the ability to share user-specific task views with your team members. Along every step in your workflow, users can log into Cognito Forms to view and complete their assigned tasks. Let's take a look at a timesheet form. First, an employee logs into Cognito Forms and opens a new timesheet. The name and manager fields are automatically populated using a person field. After saving their progress, the employee sees a reminder to complete their unfinished entry in the task menu. Once the employee submits their timesheet, the manager will also receive a task notification in Cognito Forms. The manager can then see all of the entries that require their approval. Once they approve an entry, the task is complete, and the entry is moved to the Approved Timesheet view. Here, each employee can access their own approved timesheets all in one place. Workflow Tasks is now live on Cognito Forms. For more information on how to take advantage of this feature, refer to our user guides at cognitoforms.com/support or reach out to us directly by submitting a support request.